Imagine walking into a restaurant, stomach rumbling, and all you want is to order your favorite meal, except you need to do it in English. Hey listeners, it's Sophia here, and today I've got Jay with me, who's already dreaming of a giant hamburger.
That hamburger is calling my name, Sophia. Thanks for having me. I'm hungry, but excited. Today, we're making English at restaurants simple and fun.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to confidently order food, ask for the bill, and chat with your waiter all in English. Plus, we'll role-play a full restaurant conversation.
So here's what's coming up. First, we'll walk you through greeting at the door, then choosing your table, ordering, asking for extras, and finally paying the bill. Ready to learn? And maybe get a little hungry?
So, Jay, picture yourself at the restaurant door. What's your move?
I open the door, spot the host or waiter, smile, and say, "Hello." Simple as that.
You nailed it. After that, you request your table. A table for 2, please. Or 3, or 1, depending on your group.
And the waiter will usually respond with, "This way, please," or "Follow me." Then you just follow them to your table. It's easy and feels natural, especially with a smile.
Exactly. Starting with politeness sets the tone for the rest of your meal. Speaking of which, what's the first thing you ask for once you sit down?
I'd ask for the menu. "Can I have the menu, please?" It helps you see all your options, from starters to desserts.
Right. Starters are things like soup or salad. Then come main courses like chicken, pasta, or that hamburger you love.
And don't forget desserts at the end, like chocolate cake or ice cream. Drinks are usually last. Water, juice, or soda. Knowing these categories makes ordering much smoother.
You've got it. The menu vocabulary is super helpful. So, when the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" what's your response?
If I'm ready, I'll say, "Yes, I am. But if I need more time, just a minute, please." And when I order, I use polite phrases like, "I would like the hamburger," "I would like the hamburger," "I would like the hamburger," "please," or "I'll have the tomato soup to start."
Perfect. "I would like," and "I'll have" sound natural and friendly. The waiter might repeat your order to check, and you can confirm with, "Yes, that's right. Thank you."
Politeness really goes a long way. Even when ordering drinks, "I would like a soda, please." Simple words and a smile make the whole experience easier.
Absolutely. After your meal arrives, the waiter says, "Enjoy your meal." Your turn to reply, "Thank you." And if you need anything else during your meal, how do you ask?
I make eye contact, say, "Excuse me," and then ask, "Can I have some more water, please?" Or maybe bread, or another soda. It keeps things clear and polite.
Spot on. When you're ready for dessert, the waiter might ask if you want to see the dessert menu. You respond, "Yes, please." Then order your favorite treat, like chocolate cake.
After the dessert, you're full and happy. Time to pay. Again, "Excuse me," and then, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or "The check, please." Both work, depending on where you are.
And if you're not sure about payment options, ask, "Do you take credit cards?" When handing over your payment, say, "Here you are." It wraps up the meal smoothly.
Let's walk through a quick role play, Sophia. I'll be the customer. You be the waiter, starting from "hello" to paying the bill.
"Hello, sir. Welcome."
"Hello. A table for 1, please."
Of course. "This way, please. Here is your table."
"Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?"
"Certainly. Here you are. Are you ready to order?"
"Yes, I am. I would like the chicken with vegetables, please."
An excellent choice. Anything to drink?
"Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please."
Perfect. 1 chicken with vegetables and 1 water. I'll be right back.
"Thank you. This felt really natural and easy to remember."
So, what are the big takeaways? First, start simple. Use easy phrases like "a table for" and "can I have." Second, always add "please" and "thank you" for politeness.
And third, don't be afraid to practice at home with role play, swap roles, try new phrases. It builds confidence fast.
For your next step, try ordering in English at a real restaurant or even just practice with a friend. Keep it simple and smile. It's universal.
And don't forget, share your favorite food by commenting below. Subscribe to Mr. Simple English channel for more episodes and keep practicing your English.